Hello everyone, I'll show you how to model this bed in 3D Max. Let's start with the headboard. I will go to the front view and I will draw a box. And the width segments, it will be 5. Here in the picture, you can see that I have 6 vertical channels. Now I will add Edit Poly, select these edges, plus press Loop. So I will get all these edges selected. Now I will click on chamfer, distance 1. Now I will select these inner loops by double click and press Ctrl to select the other loops. Double click, double click. Now I need to extrude them with a negative amount -3 and the distance 0.5. Now I need to give it a smooth corners for the headboard, and that could be through Turbo Smooth. But Turbo Smooth doesn't work alone. If I add it, it will start to round the corners, but the effect is very strong. So I need to close Turbo Smooth and add some loops to constrain the corners, and then I will turn on Turbo Smooth. So I need now to close Turbo Smooth and go to Edit Poly and use Alt plus number 1 to add some loops to the corners. Now I will turn on Turbo Smooth. You can see that we have small rounded corners and from the left view also, but it is super flat. How I will give it a bumpy look here? So I will go now to the front. I will close Turbo Smooth. I will select these inner polygons and go to the left view. In the x-axis, I will move them 3 to 4 centimeters and check the status bar for the amount. Now, if I turned on Turbo Smooth, you can see that I have soft face. I can also increase the iteration. Now I need to do this wooden leg over here, and it will be slanted from both sides, and the outer edge it will be straight. So I will draw a box. Now I will add Edit Poly, and I will select the bottom polygon and then scale it. 65% will be good. Now I need to move the vertex from here to the corner over here. In the front view, you can see it is a slanted side and also the other side, and at the corner it is straight. So I am done with the leg, and I need to place it under the headboard. Also in the front view. Now I will use Shift and drag a copy to the other side. Now use mirror to flip the object in the x-axis. Now I am done with the headboard. For the footboard and the sideboards, now I will draw a box. I will adjust the location. also in the front view. And I here will change the color so you can see it better. Also, here if I used your Turbo Smooth right away, but the effect will be very strong for a box that doesn't have much segments. Now I will add Turbo Smooth. Even if I increase the iteration, also from the left, it will look very rounded. So I need to add some loops near the edges to preserve my corners. I will add now edit pulley and add some swift loop near the corners using Alt plus number 1. So the more distance you will keep between the corner and the loop, you will have a bigger, smooth corner. And if the distance is shorter, you will have a smaller rounded corner. I will go now to the front so you can see the result, and I will turn Turbo Smooth on. If you need to curve the bottom as much as you curved the top, you need to take this loop and at the bottom and move it upward. So I will close Turbo Smooth and I will select this loop, double click and move it upward. The same distance you give it for the top part. And now I will turn on Turbo Smooth. This is the same curve at the top part. Now I will make a copy for the other side. First, I will go to a hierarchy panel, click Affect Pivot Only, and move the pivot to the center of the headboard. Close the Affect Pivot Only and add Symmetry modifier using the X-axis. Now I will start with the footboard. Now I will go to the top view, turn off Turbo Smooth, so I can draw easily the headboard from this corner to this corner with the same width. Now I'll draw the box. Add edit pulley, use Alt plus number 1, and add some loops to the corners. Also at the bottom and for the top. Now I will add Turbo Smooth. Now I will check the top view here. This corner is rounded from this side and this side, but I need to flatten this corner. So I will add one more loop. I'll go back to Edit Pulley and use Alt plus number 1, add one loop at the back side. Turn on Turbo Smooth to see the effect. Also, I need to flatten this corner over here. So I need also to add one loop. I will go now to Edit Pulley and I will add one loop here. So this is the result. Now I will go to the top view and add here also one loop. Now I will go to the left view and I will make a copy of this wooden leg all the way to the footboard. And then use mirror. This is my bed with the mattress and the pillows and materials.